Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. Love spells. Full story. There was this woman of Hispanic origin who was well known for doing love spells on the men she dated. The way she caught them was by using a love perfume. She had an obsession with stealing women's husbands and boyfriends, using attraction perfume oils and powder. She also did Santeria magic to make sure that once her victim is latched onto her, he can never leave.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
A young wife was devastated when she found out that her husband was leaving her for this woman. He announced to her that he had found the love of his life and that she was pregnant for him. The young wife had to fast and pray for God to expose this woman for who she truly was, and that's when it turned out that a paternity test showed that the child didn't even belong to the husband. She put him out anyway and moved on with her life. It doesn't matter their cultural background. There are women out there that are out to get whatever they want out of life, even if they have to sacrifice another woman over a man. Fast and pray without ceasing. Love is a beautiful yet dangerous emotion.
Like, follow, and share Jamaican True Stories for more.